We have bunny rabbit. Okay. Oh, we see another bunny rabbit is here. With one bunny rabbit.
I can't reach.
You can't reach? I know I can't reach that from here either.
I'll get it.
Teddy bear.
I'm strong.
You're strong.
I can reach this.
You're strong.
Oh,
You're
hi.
tall.
Too high for me.
It's too
You can climb over, Christian.
What?
Climb over.
Climb over? Can you climb over there?
Huh?
Yeah. You won't fall. You're tall enough.
Can I get in there?
Yeah, go ahead.
Go in with all the animals. Then you can get the bunny rabbit. To go with this bunny rabbit.
Whoa!
Whoa! There he goes.
It's like a horsey ride, huh?
Yeah.
Go ahead. Flip your leg over.
This way.
Do you want Auntie Kathy to help you, or are you okay?
I'm okay.
You okay?
Yeah.
You want to go over?
Yeah.
Oh, there he goes. He's over.
Yay!
Now we have a teddy bear. What about that bunny rabbit? Bring that close.
Why don't we make this one?
Oh, there you go.
And this is the bunny.
That doesn't sound like a bunny rabbit. That doesn't sound like a
And
bunny.
this is a bunny.
This is a duck. No. Where's the ducky? I see him. Oh, here he is. Here's the duck. Right?
Quack quack.
And this is.
Is that an elephant?
And this is a rabbit.
This is not a rabbit. This is bunny. That's a bunny rabbit. That's,
And this is Barbie.
no, this is really a bunny rabbit. And that's another bunny rabbit.
And this is a duck.
That's a duck. Oh, no, this is a duck.
Christian, you want to wave to Uncle Richard?
What?
Wave to Uncle Richard.
Bring
Yay!
it home to Uncle Richard to show Richard.
No.
Yeah.